Hi children, this is the EVS subject. Take out your course books, volume 1, class 2, volume 1 course book. In this course book we are having 3 subjects. Yes or no, already we know we had completed this book in first class also. The same in second class also we are having 3 subjects in one book only. So our EVS subjects starts from the page number 48. Okay, in 48 we are having one topic. First lesson. Our first lesson is etiquette. Our first lesson is etiquette. What is the meaning of this etiquette? The meaning of this etiquette is giving respect to others. Giving respect to others and following good manners also. Good manners. So అసలు రెస్పెక్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి, గుడ్ మేనర్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, అసలు ఎక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి ఏంటి అన్నది we learn this in this lesson. Okay. So based on this etiquette rules, we are having 3 topics in a book. In this book, in this lesson, we are having 3 main topics where we have to follow what the rules we have to follow. Okay. So what are the topics means? The first one is when we eat. The first topic is when we eat. When we eat. And the second topic is guest at home. Guest at home. And the third topic is at school. Okay, at school. So etiquette meaning is giving respect and following good manners. Based on these two, we are for us in this lesson we got 3 topics. In these three topics we learn while eating what we have to follow and what we have to respect. Okay, everything we learn here. And guest at home, మన ఇంటికి ఎవరైనా చుట్టాలు వచ్చినప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి, how we have to respect and what are the good manners we should follow. And at school, for whom we have to give respect at school and what are the good manners we follow at school. All this we will learn in this lesson. Okay, so our first one is now we are going, today our class is about, today's our class is to learn about when we eat. When we eat. So what we have to respect when we eat and what are the good manners we should follow while eating. Okay, we'll see in this lesson. Okay, so all of you open your course book, page number 48. In this page number 48 we can see one auntie is there and the 2 boys are there. Yes or no? Can you see in your books? If you open your page number 48 you can see all your books. So here one auntie is there. See here, first one, when we eat. I am reading this one. Listen all of you carefully. Rohan. So this auntie is calling. This lady is calling. Rohan, come dear, the breakfast is ready. ఎవరు పిలుస్తారు మనల్ని? మన ఇంట్లో అయితే మమ్మీని పిలుస్తారు కదా. మనం బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ తయారు చేసిన వెంటనే ఏమని పిలుస్తారు? రోహన్, కమ్ డియర్, ద బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ ఈజ్ రెడీ అని పిలుస్తారు కదా. సో దిస్ మామ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కాలింగ్ రోహన్, కమ్ డియర్, ద బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ ఈజ్ రెడీ. బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ అయింది, తినడానికి రా అని పిలుస్తున్నారు అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ వెంటనే రోహన్ అని పిలిచిన వెంటనే ది బాయ్ ఈజ్ సేయింగ్ ఎస్ మామ్. ద బాయ్ ఈజ్ సేయింగ్ ఎస్ మామ్ అంటే మమ్మీ పిలిచిన వెంటనే పలుకుతున్నట్టు అనమాట. ఎస్ మామ్. Rahul will also join with us for breakfast. So auntie had called only her son. వాళ్ళ కొడుకును మాత్రమే పిలుచుకున్నారు. So at that time the Rahul is also there in that place only. So this Rohan is saying, Mummy, my friend Rahul is there with me. So he will also join with us for breakfast. రాహుల్ నా ఫ్రెండ్, నాతోనే ఉన్నాడు కదా, తను కూడా ఈ రోజు నాతో పాటు బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేస్తాడు అని చెప్పాడు అనమాట. So they both went to the dining table. So Rohan, he washed his hands and sat near the dining table. రోహన్ ఏం చేశాడు, మమ్మీ పిలిచిన వెంటనే రోజు హ్యాండ్స్ వాష్ చేసుకుని కూర్చున్నాడు అనమాట. రోజు ఎలా అయితే కూర్చునేవాడో బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేయడానికి, ఈ రోజు కూడా అలానే హ్యాండ్స్ వాష్ చేసుకొని వచ్చేసి బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేయడానికి రెడీగా కూర్చున్నాడు అనమాట. రాహుల్ ఇదే కదా ఫస్ట్ టైం వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి రావడం. సో హీ డైరెక్ట్లీ వితౌట్ వాషింగ్ హ్యాండ్స్ హీ వెంట్ అండ్ సాట్ ఆన్ ద చైర్. ఓకే, అప్పుడు ఆంటీ మామ్ ఉన్నారు కదా, మామ్ ఏం చేశారు, రాహుల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు వాష్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్. ఆంటీ చూసేసారు, హ్యాండ్స్ వాష్ చేయకుండా వచ్చి కూర్చున్నాడు బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేయడానికి అనేసి చూసారనమాట. అప్పుడు వెంటనే ఏం చేశారు ఆంటీ, రాహుల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు వాష్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్. So what we have to do when we eat? When we eat, compulsory we should wash our hands. Before eating, we have to wash our hands. Wash your hands before and after eating. So the boy is washing his hands here. Yes or no? So what is the first rule, good manners we should follow near the table means? While eating, we should wash our hands. Wash our hands before and after eating. Before means మనం తినే ముందు, and after eating అందరూ హ్యాండ్స్ వాష్ చేసుకుంటారా? Yes, we should wash our hands after eating also. So next one, put the napkin on your lap so that you don't spoil your clothes. Every day we are following in our school. What we are following while eating? What we are following? We are following napkin is there, no? What we will do? All the napkins will take out from our baskets and we'll keep on our laps. Yes or no? Yes. So why we are keeping that napkin on our laps? Because the rice will not spoil on our clothes. Only the napkin, all the rice will fall on this napkin only. So we will not spoil our clothes by using this napkin. Okay, next one you see. Take small bites and chew properly. See here. Take small bites and chew properly. Take small bites. Bites means చిన్న ముక్కలు తీసుకొని మనం తినాలి అన్నమాట. పెద్దగా తీసుకొని we should not keep our mouth full. పెద్దగా తీసుకోకూడదు. చిన్నగా తీసుకొని slowly we has to eat. And do not make noise while chewing. Do not make noise. We should not make any noise while chewing. Chewing means నవలడం అన్నమాట. నవలేటప్పుడు మనం we should not make any noise. నవలేటప్పుడు ఏమి సౌండ్ రాకూడదు, మన పక్క ఫ్రెండ్స్ తో అస్సలు మాట్లాడకూడదు. Because while eating we should not make noise and we should not talk with anybody. So okay, that's a good manner. If you speak with others means while eating, it is not a good manner. It's a bad habit. Okay. Next, do not talk when your mouth is full. When your mouth is full with your rice, what you have to do? After keeping all the rice in your mouth and you will be speaking loudly. No, you should not speak like that. So do not talk when your mouth is full. మన నోట్లో పెట్టుకున్నప్పుడు మాట్లాడకూడదు అన్నమాట. Next one. See that the food does not spread all your palm. See that food does not spread all your palm. మనం అన్నం కలుపుతాం కదా. అన్నం కలిపేటప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? మనం అన్నం కలుపుకున్నప్పుడు మన ప్లేట్లో నుంచి కానీ బాక్స్లో నుంచి కానీ మనకి చెయ్యి మొత్తం అయిపోవాలి. అవునా? ఈ చెయ్యి మొత్తం చేసుకొని తినాలి. అవునా? No, that is a bad habit. That is not a good habit. So what we have to do means we should not spread all over this palm. ఈ చేతి చుట్టూ అసలు ఎక్కడ మనకి రైస్ అంటుకోకూడదు. So we have to eat only with these fingers. We should not spread all over this palm. ఈ palm చుట్టూరు చేయి మొత్తం అన్నం చేసుకోకుండా only we have to mix with these fingers and only we have to eat only with these fingers. Okay, next, never lick your fingers while eating. Never lick your fingers. Licking means what? Lick means ఇలా నాకుతూ ఉంటారు కదా. చిన్న పిల్లలు చూసారా ఎక్కడైనా ఇలా నాకుతూ ఉంటారు. So that is not a good habit. That is not a good habit. So we should never lick our fingers. Okay, అసలు ఎవ్వరు ఇలా చేతులు నాకకూడదు, వేళ్ళు నాకకూడదు. ఓకేనా? So we have to eat properly. Next one, do not play with your food. See here, the boy is playing with in his plate like this. Yes or no? So we should never play with food. We should never play with food. Next one, use the words please and thank you while passing dishes to each other. When you are sitting in your place while eating, if you want water or if you want any other bowl, you have to ask. What you have to ask? Please give me the dish. Please give me water. Like that only you have to ask. Ante kani నీకు వాటర్ కావాలండి, give me water. Give me this one, that one. You should not do like that. You have to say please. Before asking you have to say please give me. Okay, please give me. You have to ask very requestly. Okay, demand చేసినట్టు అడగకూడదు అన్నమాట. అంత కోపంగా అడగకూడదు. ఎలా అడగాలి? Please give me the dish. Please give this one to my friend. Like that we have to ask. And after taking, what you have to say? We have to say thank you for giving me this one. Thank you for giving me water. So we have to say please before asking, and after getting, what we have to say? We have to say thank you. Next, fork in the left hand and spoon in the right hand when using them. Fork and spoon will be there, no? Do you know the fork? Already we know what is the spoon. Spoon will be like this. Yes or no? Spoon will be like this. And the fork will be like this will be there, no? Yes or no? So, this spoon you have to hold in a right hand. Which hand? Right hand. And this fork you should hold in your left hand. Always while you are eating, you have to hold the spoon in your right hand and this fork in the left hand. This is the fork. Left hand. Okay. Next. Pray to God before eating and thank mom after eating food. Okay. Pray to God before eating. What we have to do? We have to pray, thank you God for giving me this food. You have to thank to God whenever you eat your food. First, before starting to eat, we have to say thank you to God. Because God only giving us food now. And who is cooking food for you? Mom is cooking food, yes or no? So you have to thank God, pray to God for giving food and you have to thank mom for giving you food. Okay, so what is this one means? At last, before eating, we have to pray to God before eating and thank your mom after eating. తినే ముందు మనం దేవునికి ప్రేయర్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఎందుకు ప్రేయర్ చేసుకోవాలి? థ్యాంక్ యూ గాడ్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ మీ దిస్ ఫుడ్. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఈటింగ్ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ? యూ హ్యావ్ టు సే థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ యువర్ మామ్. ఎందుకని మమ్మీకి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పాలి? ఎందుకంటే మన కోసం అంత కష్టపడి మంచిగా మనకి ఏది కావాలంటే అది వండి పెడుతున్నారు కదా. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు సే thank you mommy for giving me this food. Thank you mommy for preparing me this food. Okay. So this is our today's topic. So what we had learned, what are the etiquette we had learned when we eat? What are this? First, you have to wash your hands before and after eating. Okay, wash your hands before and after eating. Put the napkin on your laps because it won't spoil your dress. And the third one, you have to take small bites and eat. You should not keep in your mouth full. And after your mouth, whenever your mouth is full, you should not make noise and you should not speak loudly. Okay. Next one. See the food does not spread all the palm. మన చేతి చుట్టూ రావకుండా ఈ fingers తో మాత్రమే తినేలాగా కలుపుకునేలాగా చూడాలి. And we should not lick our fingers. We should not lick our fingers. And mainly we should not play with the food. We should not play with the food. అన్నంతో ఎప్పుడు ఆడుకోకూడదు. ఓకేనా? ఓకేనా? We should not play with the food. And whenever you want anything, dishes or water or anything, how you have to ask? We have to please them. Please give me this water. Please give me this bowl. Please give me this one. Please pass to my friend. After passing, after getting the help, what you have to say? You have to say thank you. You have to say thank you. Next, hold the fork in your left hand. Left hand, what you have to hold? Fork in your left hand and spoon in your right hand. Whenever you are using this spoon and fork. Next, final one is pray to God. Pray to God before eating. Before eating, what you have to do means you have to pray to God. And after completing eating food, what you have to say? To your mom, you have to say, thank you mommy for preparing me this food. Okay, so this is the etiquette when we eat. These are the etiquette rules when we eat. We have to follow all these rules. Okay na? So this is our topic for today, children.